Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can spot pollution from miles away, potentially putting hundreds of environmental inspectors out of work. That's exactly what's happening right now in Hong Kong, and it's sparking some serious conversations about the future of environmental monitoring. A cutting-edge Hong Kong-based startup called ANTEI AI Innovation Hub has just unveiled something that could revolutionize how we track industrial pollution forever. Their groundbreaking creation? An AI-powered surveillance system called the Aura framework that can identify and measure factory emissions in real time with stunning precision. But here's where it gets controversial. This technology is specifically designed to monitor mainland China's industrial activities, raising questions about surveillance, privacy, and who really controls environmental data. The mastermind behind this innovation is Matěj Jordanov, a graduate from Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, who now serves as the company's founder and group managing director. During a recent interview, Jordanov made a bold claim that caught everyone's attention. Before Aura came along, absolutely no system existed in the global marketplace that could simultaneously detect emissions with high accuracy while calculating exact emission quantities in real time. Think about that for a moment. We've been flying blind when it comes to truly understanding industrial pollution levels until now. So how does this game-changing technology actually work? The Aura system operates by strategically placing specialized cameras around industrial areas or cleverly repurposing existing urban surveillance cameras that cities have already installed. The real magic happens when the AI analyzes what these cameras capture. The system employs sophisticated algorithms that examine both movement patterns and color variations in the air to pinpoint exactly where smoke is coming from and what type of pollutants are being released. What makes this particularly impressive is that Aura can accurately identify emissions even when viewing from considerable distances or when weather conditions make visibility challenging, something human inspectors often struggle with. And this is the part most people miss. The economic implications are staggering. According to Jordanov, implementing Aura eliminates the need for what he describes as tens or even hundreds of people who would traditionally be required to monitor emissions manually. We're talking about a complete transformation of an entire industry workforce. The startup has already put their money where their mouth is by successfully deploying Aura across several Balkan countries. Though Jordanov remains tight-lipped about revealing specific locations where the system is currently operational. The results? An impressive accuracy rate ranging between 95 to 98%, depending on the specific monitoring conditions and environmental factors involved. Now here's where things get really interesting and potentially contentious. ANTEI AI Innovation Hub has set their sights on expanding this emission monitoring technology throughout mainland China, a move that could fundamentally change how the world's largest manufacturing hub approaches environmental compliance and oversight. But this raises some thought-provoking questions that deserve serious consideration. Should AI technology be making decisions about environmental violations that could shut down factories and eliminate jobs? Is it ethical for a Hong Kong-based company to essentially spy on mainland Chinese industrial operations, even in the name of environmental protection? And what happens to all those human environmental inspectors, whose expertise and livelihoods could become obsolete overnight? The technology itself is undeniably impressive, combining cutting-edge computer vision with environmental science in ways we've never seen before. For beginners trying to understand this concept, imagine having a super-intelligent security guard who never sleeps, never gets tired, and can spot pollution from miles away while simultaneously calculating exactly how much damage is being done to the environment. What's your take on this technological leap forward? Do you believe AI should replace human environmental inspectors? Or are we moving too fast toward an automated future that eliminates essential human oversight? Should companies be able to monitor industrial activities across international borders using AI surveillance, even for environmental protection purposes? Share your thoughts. and let's debate whether this innovation represents progress or a step too far into a surveillance-dominated world.